Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, come here with another review of a great website. This is Flipsy, where you can sell your iPhone, your Android phones for cash or trade-in price finder. This thing is pretty interesting, and I got a chance to test it out, use it, sold a phone on the service, so I was very impressed with it. You can go to Flipsy.com. It makes it easy to sell an iPhone for cash or store credit, and Flipsy searches to find trust-verified buyback stores making offers on your phone. They're typically 30% more than iPhone carrier trade-in programs, and you can sell your iPhone or your Samsung device to an online buyback store. Very simple. You find your phone on Flipsy, choose the store you want to sell to, complete the store's offer form, and they send you a packaging slip and prepaid label for USPS, and you ship it totally free. And away you go. And once they receive it and verify that it is what you said it was, your payments are issued within 2 days from the store. You can actually get paid by PayPal or check. So I was really impressed with this. You can see there's a whole lot of stores that compete for your trade-in or the sale of your phone, whatever. And so you can just go to their website and literally decide if you want to sell your Samsung, your iPhone. You click on the button here. You enter in maybe what the make and model of your phone is. Let's say we have an AT&T iPhone X. There's two different capacities, of course, we can choose from. Let's say a 64 gigabyte. And you click on that, and whoa, look at this. This pops up and shows me a list of the trust verified stores. These are all stores that Flipsy will work with, and it gives me the prices of what they're willing to compete with to give me the best price that I can get. So I can literally choose from the people I want. Then if I want to go deeper, I can take a look at the offer that they take and have for me. It redirects to their website, and I can talk to them about getting cash or selling my product and everything else. I can go into whoever it is website, select the model, and select the carrier. And of course, the storage size, we'll get down into some of this. Let's say it's good. Let's go with good because condition makes a difference. And there's the offer. Now it's valid. You can sell it to them. You fill out a little form. You mail it to them. I just took and did this with an iPhone. I went through the whole process. As soon as it got to them, within a day, I believe, I was contacted by the buyer. And the buyer said, you know, here's our final offer. Turned out it was the same offer that I'd gotten on Flipsy from them. And so there really wasn't any bait and switch, if you will. It was an honest, straightforward experience. And I said yes. And within like an hour, I was paid on PayPal. So I was really, really impressed with Flipsy.com. And I think you will be too. If you've got a mobile phone you want to take and sell, an iPhone or Samsung or tablets or whatever else they might have on here that you may want to get rid of, they are a great website you can take and go to get this done. Like I said, I went through the whole process with it, selling an iPhone. I got the same amount they promised me. I imagine it's because I said the phone was in great condition. It was a great condition. So there you go. Really enjoyed the experience with Flipsy.com, and I think you will too. Be sure to go check out our website and tell your friends about it. Thanks for tuning in.